Here's how to add text to your videos in Kdenlive. I have a video clip on the timeline that I'll be using as a background. Now to add our text. There are 3 ways we could go about it. You can go to the menu bar inside of Project down to Add Title Clip, or in the project bin you can either right click on an empty area and choose Add Title Clip, and lastly you could click on the first drop down in the project bin and add title clip. This will open a new window, the title window. Click anywhere over the canvas to add text. In the upper left corner, you have a few tools and buttons, such as the Move or Selection tool, the Text tool to add more text boxes, then Shapes to add either a rectangle or ellipse. You can also add images, and finally you have the options to open previously saved title clips, the option to save the current title clip, and this down pointing arrow to download title clip templates. To edit your text, double click on it, or write hello world. Then over on the right, there are controls to modify our text style, such as font selection, size, change colors, add outline, text justification, adding a drop shadow, changing letter and line spacing, as well as many other controls and options. At the very top, we can control the position and the Z index of our elements in case we have multiple elements on the canvas. Near the top, we can control the title clip duration, the rotation, and align our text and shapes on the canvas. With my text selected, I'll center it on the vertical and horizontal axis. Finally, in the bottom right corner, click on Create Title. This will create a title clip in the project bin. Now let's drag it onto the timeline over our background clip. You can position the title clip where you want it to start in the timeline and adjust its duration by dragging the edges of the clip. To edit your text, double click on the title clip on the timeline or in the project bin. This will open the title window. In the title window, under the canvas, there are a few options including zooming in and out, using grid or guides, and you can show background by checking this checkbox, which will make it easier to position your text and adjust the colors for better contrast. When you're done, click on the Update Title button or click the arrow next to it to create a new title from changes. This will add a new title clip to the project bin with the changes that we've just done. Finally, you can add effects to your title clips on the timeline, like using Transform to reposition and scale your text on the fly, or using the Crop tool to create custom text reveal. And click on this video here to learn how to use custom transition presets inside Kdenlive.